This kid is so impatient. I swear. Yeah, I feel really weird. Probably because I don't freaking sleep. Then I get to, go to sleep when he takes a nap. It's not the damn same. It's not the same. Thank you. Yeah, let's go ahead and reach our gift goal. Let's get some gifts today. Also, we need 2 subscribers. 2 subscribers is all we need. We need 2 subscribers. That's it. Thank you, Corey D. I appreciate you. How you been? How's everything? How's has the baby been born yet? Is the baby born yet? Octavia. That's funny because one of my friends that I became really good friends with on here with his first daughter's name Octavia, but they call her Tay. Oh, congratulations! When was she born and how much did she weigh? Are you excited to be a pappy now? Oh, I know it's your first, so it's like you're over the moon. Ooh, puppy. I'm so happy for you. Just make sure you're there for the mom too, because this is gonna be a difficult time for her postpartum wise. I don't know. Some women are different, but just be loving and caring. I know y'all situation, but still, be supportive. Be supportive. Be very supportive. What? Leave it alone. Oh, beep beep. I'm gonna eat all of them. All right, one more thing and then we're done. I have a real bad headache today. Anybody got any recommendations? Like I have migraine medication. I took Subtreptin, but it's like, I don't know, it's making me feel really weird. Like I feel so much pressure in my face. I feel worse than I did before I took it. Uh, Come on, súbese pues. Yes. Right. Come on, súbese. Súbese. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Happy, you're fine. Come on. There.